With the tank cover in an upside-down position, slide the cartridge filter down over the lid cage, pushing until the filter seal is against the cover. Next, place the filter retainer into position over the filter opening. Hold the tank cover with one hand while turning the handle on the filter retainer to tighten and lock the filter into position. The cartridge filter can be used for dry pickup and small quantities of wet pickup. When cleaning the cartridge, first remove the cartridge by reversing the steps explained for proper installation. Next, shake or brush off excess dirt into a large trash receptacle, or rinse from the inside of the filter with water. Allow up to 24 hours to dry before reinstallation. For additional information on this and other Shop-Vac products, visit shopvac.com. If it doesn't say Shop-Vac, it isn't a Shop-Vac.